Welcome back, children. Some important points about modals are given here. Modals take any subject before them. There is no subject-verb agreement problem. Subject-verb agreement problem means what? For example, I wrote like this. There is no agreement between subject and verb because I should be followed by have, not has. This is what is called subject-verb agreement. But modals can take any subject before them. First person, second person, third person, singular or plural, whatever it is. There is no problem of subject-verb agreement here. In the same way, no two modals co-occur in a sentence. The film will be released next week. See, you cannot use two modals in the same sentence, side by side. Co-occur means occurring side by side. The main verb will always be the V1 form after the modals. Another important thing that you find very frequently in the errors also. All the modal verbs are followed by V1 form only. There is no other way you can use any other verb form after the modal verbs. He cannot move the big stone. You cannot write he cannot move like that. He cannot move. Past form of some modal stands for politeness. When you use past forms of some modal verbs, those indicate politeness. For example, first one you see, would you like to have some tea? Could you lend me your book? These are past forms of will and can. But they are used to ask or make polite requests. Now read the following sentences and identify the functions performed by the modals. Very carefully look at these sentences, children. First underline or identify the modals, then you write the functions performed by them. For example, A, he can sing for 8 hours at a stretch. At a stretch means what? Without stopping, he can sing. Can indicates what here? Ability. He can sing means it shows his ability or capacity. Like that, you have to underline or identify the modal verb or modal auxiliary and write the function of that particular modal in that sentence. Now, B, you could take an umbrella. It's raining outside. It's a suggestion, advice. C, we should complete the shooting by tomorrow evening. Obligation. Or you can say, if it is given in the form of advice, also you can say we should complete the shooting by tomorrow evening. D sentence, shall I wait till you come? It's offer. Shall I wait till you come? You are offering somebody that you will be waiting there for him till he comes back. E sentence, the time was up but the makeup person would not turn up. The time was up but the makeup person would not turn up. What does would indicate here? Future of the past, or you can say past habit. But here you have to use future of the past. F, the car hasn't arrived yet, it must have got a flat tire. You are inferring there. You are inferring that, or you are concluding that the car might have stopped, it has not yet arrived, because it must have got a flat tire means it must have got punctured. When the tire becomes flat, when it got punctured, when there is no air in there in that. G sentence, there may be heavy rains tomorrow, so why couldn't we go for indoor shooting? Maybe is a possibility. May indicates here possibility. Why couldn't we go? This is a suggestion. Why couldn't we go for indoor shooting? H sentence, will you join us for tea? Will you join us for tea? You are showing the purpose there. Why you are inviting them to come? To have tea. Or you can see sentence I, the agreement between the two parties shall be in force for 2 years. This is a suggestion or obligation also. There may be, the agreement between the two parties shall be in force for 2 years. Sentence J, it might be an idea to postpone the release of the film. It might be an idea, means better, it's compulsion. You are making it a compulsion that Sorry, it might be a possibility. You are expressing a possibility that it might be an idea to postpone the release of the film. You are expressing a possibility that the release of the film will be postponed by using the modal verb or modal auxiliary might there in that sentence. Now, under writing task, you can see, now read the review once again. Write a review of a film or a TV program or an episode of a TV serial you have seen. This you can do, you have to do that. Now, what do you have to do there? Read the review again and then write a review of a film, any film that you have seen or any TV program that you like or any episode of a TV serial you have seen recently. You can write a review about that particular episode or a movie or a TV program, just as the review is written there about Maya Bazar. Now, second one, there is a letter given. Read the following letter. Hankonda, November 27, 2013, to the editor, The Hindu, Hyderabad. Sir or Madam, I am a regular reader of your esteemed newspaper. I am very much interested in reading the news in Friday review in your newspaper every week. I am writing to bring to your notice certain feelings I had when I watched the color version of the movie Maya Bazar. Recently, Maya Bazar was released again, but this time it was a different Maya Bazar in color. Thanks to the Goldstone Technologies. This Goldstone Technologies only, the organization or the institute which converted the black and white version of Maya Bazar into in color version. I was carried away to a different world of colorful visuals. Of course, the audio part remained the same, but here and there the effects of digital track sound have made some difference. Such an experiment began in Hindi with Mughal-e-Azam and received applause from the audience. I hope many such experiments are welcome to the film lovers. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Ramu, Government High School, Haramkonda, Warangal district. See, in this, the first movie which was originally shot in black and white was reprinted or remade in color was Mughal-e-Azam. Mughal-e-Azam was a movie directed by Prithviraj Kapoor, who acted as Akbar there in that, with his son Raj Kapoor, the famous, the great showman of India, one of the topmost filmmakers of India, particularly Bollywood. So he is writing about the review there, but in the second question, write your opinion on the letter that appeared in the Hindu in response to the review of Maya Bazar. In your letter, write whether the opinion expressed in Ramu's letter is a sufficient appreciation of Maya Bazar. So now you have to write your opinion. Are you satisfied with the opinion expressed in Ramu's letter? Is it a sufficient appreciation of Maya Bazar? Is it enough? You have to write in your letter your response to that, your reply, your opinion you have to express. Now, third one, let's read the following skit. What is the meaning of a skit? You can see there in the next page at the bottom, the meaning of a skit is given. A skit has all the characteristics of a play. Means a small play usually does have a message to convey. A skit always conveys a message. Usually, it has a plot. Plot means a beginning, a crisis and a resolution. A beginning of the skit, there is a sudden problem. Crisis means problem, and there its resolution means it's a solution. However, there are certain differences with respect to time, number of characters or setting, etc. The skit is more of an informal nature. The number of characters is less. The setting does not have much importance. So these are the features of a skit. Setting is not important. It's more of informal in nature, not formal. Number of characters is always less. Let us see this particular skit, which conveys a message. You say that very, very carefully. Suhas, Amma, Amma. Mother, what? Suhas? Suhas, my friends are planning to watch a movie. I too want to join them. Mother, movies, movies, movies. No, I can't let you go to movies too often. Suhas, my friends are making fun of me. They call me bird in a cage. Goes out disgusted, taking his school bag. Mother, money, money, money. He always needs money. This is not a kid, it's an apparition. What do you mean by apparition? Devil. Apparition means what? A ghost or a devil. This is not a kid, it's an apparition. Father coming. Why are you shouting, Sarala? What did you say? Mother says, didn't you hear? An apparition. Father, who is the apparition? Mother, who else could I mean? It's your own son. Father, not your son. He needs money. Mother, yes, he needs money. He watches movies. His life is movies. He doesn't care to study. All the children in the street are doing very well. But this devil starts banging her head against the wall. No wounds, no blood. Father, no, Sarla, no, don't do it. Mother falls down and father brings a glass of water. Father, Sarla, have some water. A pause. Father, Sarla, we have to understand certain things. Mother, having drunk water, as if you have understood. You don't worry about anything. He doesn't study at all. He is after movies. Wait, I'll find out. Father, Suhas, you didn't take your bicycle today. You didn't take your lunch box. You look tired. Suhas, Amma doesn't understand me. She always makes a fuss of me. She always wants me to do one thing, study, study, study. I want to go to a film, that too once a week. All my friends are going. I too want to go. Is it wrong on my part? Father says, why don't you try to understand your mother's concern? She is worried a lot about your future. Suhas, but I am all right in my studies. I think watching films once a week, that too watching a good film is not a sin. Father, which film did you want to watch? Suhas, Life of Pi. It's an interesting movie with high technical values. Father says, all right, my boy. Father, Sarla, the boy didn't want to do anything bad. Mother, but I have my own fears. Father, I do understand. Your fears may have reasons. But what Suhas wanted was just 100 rupees. And that too for watching an interesting film. Mother, maybe I was wrong. We will ask Suhas to go to the film. He is such a nice boy. He never troubles us. Father, come on, let's have supper. Come, Suhas. Now let us ponder over these points. Keeping in mind the features of a skit given below, prepare a skit on any subject you like the most. A skit has all the characteristics of a play. Usually, it does have a message to convey. Does have a message to convey. Less number of characters. It has a plot, means it is a beginning, a crisis and a resolution. However, there are certain differences with respect to time, number of characters and setting, etc. The skit is more of informal in nature. The number of characters is less. The setting does not have much importance. These are the features of a skit. So now you are asked to prepare a skit on any subject you like the most. Any subject, you have to prepare a skit with keeping these features of the skit in mind. Okay, children, with that we come to the end of this particular reading. In the next class, we will be taking up the C reading, a tribute. Thank you.